So I'm changing the clutch on this Husqvarna 455 Rancher. I'm guessing this is going to mostly be the way you're going to change a clutch on just about any chainsaw. But basically, got the clutch down here, and you can see on here it says off. That's the direction you want to spin it. So what I did is I took the cover off of the other side here, which is where you pull start it. Took a 1/4-inch drive ratchet, put it on, and put it on this little nut here, and then locked it in there. I don't know, maybe you could just use the chainsaw brake, but my brake doesn't work. So, different project, different day. Then what I did, you can buy a tool that slides right in here. I just took a set of vice grip needle nose, stuck them in there, locked it on, and then I took my 2 1/2-inch extensions here, just anything really that's long enough to stick in here, and then I just use it as leverage. It took quite a lot to break it free, but just reef on it, you're going to feel like you're going to bend or break your needle nose. That's why you buy a Craftsman, and eventually it just breaks free there, and then you can just spin it off. So let's get her off here. There we be. So this was smoking when I was using it earlier today, so we're gonna change all this here. I got all the parts right there, just came in the mail. So I'll slide that off. You can see that there. It's the old sprocket there. There's the old needle bearings. So at this point, just slide everything back on. It goes together like it came apart. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up so YouTube can know that it's a helpful video. And if you subscribe, that'd really help my channel out. Thanks. Have a good one.